Oh guys, I think it's here. Yes it is. Come along children. Okay, so we got it now. How do you open this? Okay. After, not yet, because I'm recording. Shush. Go. Okay, guys. Let's go. Okay, let's take you into another room. Do you like your little crosshair I made you? Right? Crosshair. Bro, these drawings I did not click at. But the one before this is my second channel profile. So yeah, that's that. Next step, open it. Let's go. So we got 60, 60, 60. Whoa! On the Amazon, it said 30, 30, 30. Wait, 100. I got 180 bits of lead for each pen. How do I get this thing out? Does it have lead in? Yes, it does. Lead. Wait, let me zoom you in a little bit more. Lead. I'm about to give myself an injection. I like doing that, but I know it's bad for the pen seal. So that's the only time I'm going to do it. So yeah, we got 3 erasers. I guess this is an American brand. Because that should be we don't call this an eraser in England. We call it a rubber. These round rubbers, don't know what they're for, but anyway, doesn't matter. Only thing that matters are my 2 new pencils. Let's do a drawing. Is it Levi Ackerman? Pause. I just want to apologise in advance. It was Lo-Fi I was drawing, not Levi Ackerman. I think it's going to be Levi Ackerman, which I'm drawing. I don't watch anime. I only like drawing the characters. Okay, actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to put you there. And then in the actual editing, I'm going to switch this. So this is the bottom, not the top. So let's just do that now quickly. Lovely, thank you, editor dad. Person. Okay, so we got my pencil. Let's start by drawing his hats. That's not perfect, but it's good-ish. Opening rubber time. Where's the opening? I found it. Oh no, I didn't. What the? my god. What the hell? What are those? Okay, they're rubber. But it says it's soft. This feels hard. Okay, alright, next bit of the hat. The curvy bit. What happened? Yeah, so now we do the face. Wait, actually. Now we're starting the face. Then nose and the skull. Okay, so nose comes down like that. And there's a scar. Then the mouth, which, yeah, it's just closed, like that. Then for the body, so it's a neck, just like, something feels off about that one, I don't know why. Okay, then it's like that. We're going to get someone to rate it. Right, now come here. Rate this drawing out of 10.
Oh, it's not finished yet, is it?
It is.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'll give it a 7 because it doesn't look like it's finished.
I'll give it.
Is that right?
7 it is. Yeah.
Look very good, 7.
Okay, so I showed my dad the reference picture and he swapped his answer from a 7 to an 8.5. So yeah. Don't mind me, guys. So yeah, so that was just me testing out the new pens I got. So yeah. So hopefully you did enjoy this video. I'm uploading it both on my gaming channel and my main channel, my drawing, my just random stuff channel. So my gaming and then my random stuff channel. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!